Alright, here we have the Ridge Runner Red Rescue Folding Knife, retailing for $14, but it's on sale for only $8.99. If you have 3 different options again, red, blue, or orange. Now, Ridge Runner is proud to offer these rough and tough rescue folders designed for superior performance. The 3 3/8 inch blades are each solid 420 stainless steel construction with a piercing tanto point. Now, the impact-resistant aluminum handles are equipped with seatbelt cutters and pocket clips. Now, these are 7 3/8 inches overall. Knife Collector from Iowa says, nice knife. You can use it for just about anything.
Good night. Dang. Yeah. That thing's sharp. Okay, cool. Oh, wow. Dang, that was nice. Oh, wow. Oh, man, right at